What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, exciting day, I have the short block for the Trailblazer SS back. I'll show you that in a second, but what this video is going to be about is reassembling the cylinder heads that I had done for this engine. So let's take a look at one of those real quick. Alright, so here we go. Cylinder head fresh from the machine shop. I did not have a valve job done because all that stuff looked good, but he went ahead and cleaned everything for me, sandblasted them so they're nice and clean, and then hot tanked them. And what I'm going to do now is reinstall the valves with the new valve springs. Also worth noting, these are 243 heads, and I had 30 thousandths cut off the deck surface in order to raise my compression. So this is going to change a couple things when I assemble the motor, but like I said, this video just about reassembling the head, so let's get some parts laid out. Okay, so here's basically what we have. A cylinder head, our valves laid out in the order that they were taken out of the head, new seals, new retainers, springs, and the locks are in that box. So these are a Texas Speed 660 lift spring. It reuses the factory locks on the retainers. So the first thing we're going to do is install our seals on the cylinder head. So these are what the new seals look like. They're one piece with the seat built into them. So basically, you just push it over your valve guide, take a socket, and then tap it in until it seats flush on the head. So the next step is we're going to slide all of our valves in, and you want to put a little bit of lubricant on the valve stem to slide through the new seal. We'll do that real quick. A little bit of lube. Okay, so we have our handy dandy valve compressor tool, valve spring compressor tool here. We have our locks, our retainers, seals are already installed and the valves are in. So the next step is to put the springs on. Thank you, sir. All right, so after you get your locks in to your retainer and loosen the spring compressor back up, you just got to do that on every other valve. Okay, so this head is assembled and ready to go on the engine. I'll go ahead and do that head real quick. And in the next video, we're going to put it together. So be sure you stay tuned. Alright, so there you go. Cylinder heads ready to go on the engine. Decked 30 thousandths to up your compression ratio. Some 660 lift Texas Speed springs, stock valves. Ready to go on the stock cubic inch LQ9. So just a quick little video of me putting the heads together. The next video is going to be me assembling the long block. So going from a short block to a long block with some of the little Trailblazer SS tips and tricks. So stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, you can always find me on Instagram. I try to post up there daily. I've been on vacation, lucky me, so I haven't posted much, but getting back on that as I start on this engine build. And like I said, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.